Great thing about this new dishwasher is it is completely silent. That's sick. One question, if it's totally silent, how do I know that it's on? Oh, it's actually really simple. Just open it. And if it's on, it will spray you with hot water and steam. I'm sorry, it will spray me with hot water and steam. And then what? Well, then you just slam it shut as quick as you can. Okay, will it continue with the washing cycle? That's the best part. You'll never know. All right, just for a test case, why don't you tell me if this is currently on? You want me to check right now?